Welcome back to Old Charles. Today we are looking the United Arab Emirates 1 Dirham coin from 2008 holds a special place in modern Middle Eastern currency history, and it reflects both cultural identity and economic development of the UAE during the early 21st century. This coin is widely circulated and still found in daily use across the Emirates, making it an interesting piece for collectors and enthusiasts. The 1 Dirham coin is part of the official currency system of the United Arab Emirates, where 1 dirham is divided into 100 fils. The coin itself is made from a copper-nickel composition, which gives it a silver-colored appearance and a durable structure suitable for everyday transactions. The weight and size are standardized to ensure consistency in circulation and easy recognition among other denominations. On the obverse side of the coin you will find the denomination clearly marked in Arabic along with the year of issue, which in this case is 2008, and the country name written in Arabic script. The design is simple but meaningful, reflecting the linguistic and cultural identity of the nation. Arabic calligraphy is an important feature of UAE currency, and it highlights the heritage and unity of the 7 Emirates. On the reverse side of the coin there is often a traditional Arabian coffee pot known as the dala, which symbolizes hospitality, generosity, and deep-rooted cultural traditions in the UAE. This design element is consistent with many UAE coins where national symbols are used to represent values and identity rather than political figures or portraits. This makes the coin unique compared to many other world currencies. In terms of value, the 2008 UAE 1 dirham coin generally holds its face value in circulation, which is 1 dirham. However, its collector value can vary depending on condition, rarity, and demand. Coins that are in uncirculated or mint condition can sometimes fetch a slightly higher price among collectors, especially those interested in modern Middle Eastern currency sets. Although it is not considered a rare coin, the 2008 edition is still collected by numismatists who focus on complete year sets of UAE currency. The demand for such coins comes from both regional collectors and international enthusiasts who study modern coinage of developing economies. The historical context of this coin is also important. In 2008, the United Arab Emirates was experiencing rapid economic growth driven by oil revenue, tourism, construction, and global investment. Cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi were becoming major international hubs, and the currency system, including the 1 dirham coin, played an essential role in supporting daily commerce for millions of residents and visitors. The durability of the coin also makes it practical for long-term circulation. It is resistant to wear and corrosion, which ensures that even after many years it remains legible and usable in vending machines, transport systems, and retail transactions across the country. Collectors often pay attention to mint marks, slight variations in strike quality, and overall condition when evaluating coins like the UAE 1 dirham 2008. Even small differences can influence collector interest, though not significantly increasing its monetary value in most cases. Today this coin continues to be a part of everyday life in the UAE and serves as a reminder of the country's modern financial system and cultural pride. It may appear simple at first glance, but it carries meaning tied to national identity, economic stability, and everyday trade within one of the most dynamic regions in the world. The United Arab Emirates 1 dirham coin has a history that is closely linked with the formation and growth of the country itself. The United Arab Emirates was formed in 1971 when 7 Emirates came together to create a single nation. This union brought stability, economic strength, and a shared identity to the region. After the formation of the country, the need for a national currency became important. The UAE dirham was introduced in 1973 to replace older currencies that were used in the region before unification. The introduction of the dirham marked a major step in building a strong financial system for the new nation. The 1 dirham coin became part of the currency system to support everyday trade and small transactions. It was designed to be practical, durable, and easy to use in daily life across all Emirates. The design of UAE coins was influenced by Islamic culture and Arabian traditions rather than portraits of leaders, which is common in many other countries. Over the years, the 1 dirham coin has gone through several updates in design and metal composition to improve durability and security. The 2008 version belongs to the modern era of UAE coinage, when the country was experiencing rapid development in trade, tourism, and infrastructure. During this period, the United Arab Emirates was becoming a global hub, especially cities like Dubai and Abu Dhabi, which attracted international business and tourism. The currency system, including the 1 dirham coin, played an important role in supporting this fast-growing economy. The coin reflects national symbols that represent unity and heritage. The traditional coffee pot design shows hospitality, which is an important value in Emirati culture. The Arabic inscriptions reflect the language and identity of the nation. The 1 dirham coin is still widely used today, which shows the strength and stability of the UAE currency system. Even though digital payments are increasing, the coin remains important for cash transactions in shops, transport and daily life. Collectors study different years of the coin, including the 2008 issue, to understand the development of UAE currency over time. Each year represents a stage in the economic and cultural progress of the country. The history of the UAE 1 dirham coin is not just about money, it is also about the story of a young nation that grew quickly into one of the most developed countries in the region. The coin represents unity, progress and